Hi guys, Yan Sikorski here again. Today I will share with you my top 7 ideas for the next trading session. But first of all, let's see how my previous ideas work out. Let's start with euro dollar. In euro dollar, as I said yesterday, I expect the price form some sort of pullback, but I expect pullback until 1.092. As you can see, price from pullback until 1.095. But anyway, idea still worked. Another currency pair is the pound USD. The pound USD I also expect some sort of pullback, but unfortunately price going up a little bit more than I expect. And right now form some sort of pullback. Honestly, I cannot say this idea worked pretty perfectly. But I say this idea is not worked. USD Canadian dollar. In Canadian dollar, I say it if price hold below 1.39, it will be entry points for the short. First target will be 1.3860. As you can see, price hit first target and then break out this level. Aussie USD. In Australian dollar, as I said, I expect the price from some sort of pullback until 0.66 level. As you can see, price form false breakout of this level. I can say idea still work. That's why if you're in a position right now, just stay in a position, you will be fine. Gold. In the gold, I said if price hold below 1730, it will be entry points for the short. As you can see, price held below this level and hit our first target around 1715. Oil. I expect some sort of short in oil. As you can see, price. I expect with the price get a bounce from 34.50, and the first target will be around 31.50. As you can see, idea still work. That's why if you're in a position, just stay in a position, and I hope you'll be fine. S&P 500. As you can see, I said yesterday, I expect in terms of this big up movement, S&P 500 need some sort of pullback, and then after pullback will be good entry points for the long. As you can see, this idea worked pretty perfectly. Well, it was my previous ideas. Right now, let's move on to today's ideas for the next trading session. Like as usual, let's start with euro dollar. In euro dollar, I expect 70% probability of price going up today until important resistance level around 1.7 will be my first target, and 30% probability if price hold below important support level around 1.095. It will be entry points for the short, and first target will be around 1.092. The pound USD, the same picture. If price like 40% probability if price hold below 1.2310, it will be good entry points and a good opportunity to take a short until 1.2260. But if price hold above 1.2320, it will be good opportunity to take a trade, and the first target will be around 1.24. I can say 60% probability price going up and 40 price falling down in the pound USD today. Canadian dollar. In Canadian dollar, I can see important range between 1.3760 and 1.38. And it pretty depends on how price will react for this range. I expect a more bullish scenario in this currency pair. My first scenario will be if price break this range with impulsive movement, then form pullback until this support level reversal model. It will be entry points, and my first target will be around 1.3860. And the second scenario, what I expect today, this is the false breakout of 1.3760. If price form false breakout of this level, I mean like break and going up again, going back again this range, it will be also entry points. My first target will be 1.3860. Aussie USD. In Aussie USD, the same scenario like yesterday. I expect the price falling down from this resistance level, and my first target will be around 0.66. Gold. Price right now near important support level around 1,700, better say. And if price formed reversal model in this place, it will be good entry points to take a long, and first target will be around 1725. but 35% probability if price going down, hold below 1700 level, it will be entry points for the short, and your first target will be around 1675. In oil, I still expect the price falling down. That's why my idea is still my idea for today is still short from this level, and my first target will be around 31.50 or 32. The same in S&P 500. I'm still bullish in S&P 500. I expect with the price going up until 3040 level. Well, that's all for today, guys. I hope this idea will help to make money on a next trading session for you, and I hope you enjoy. See you in the next video. Bye.